Hey, what's up, everyone? It's Rob Powell, Awesome back here again, and today, welcome to another installment of 2DS Sundays. Today, we're going to be playing Animal Emergency on the Nintendo DS. So, the last time I did an installment of 2DS Sundays, we also did a DS game, which was entitled Club Penguin, Elite Penguin Force. But I just thought we should give this game a shot real quick. We'll just load my save file real quick. My tiger's got a problem. So I don't know much about this game, if I'm honest, but I'm pretty sure it's kind of like Nintendogs in a weird way. Basically, you're running this emergency pet clinic, and you have to take care of all these animals. What's this thing? It's blinking at me. Hello, what is it? I'm here because of my pet. He hasn't been well for some days now. Here, let me have a look. There, lie down. I'll be done in no time. Here we go. Dude, it would be hilarious if this dog's problem was just that he needed to be brushed. Sorry about that. I have... Oh god, blown to the microphone to make the fleas move. Once you spot a flea, pick it up with the stylus. Oh no. There we go. Perfect. I can't see any more fleas. We better cover him with this. Okay. Now. Oh, no. It doesn't. Sorry about that. We're gonna cover his face as well. What if it gets in his eyes? Okay. Hmm. I think this music definitely has some sort of jungle vibe going about it. Well, actually, he wasn't sick. What was the problem then? He just had fleas, but don't worry, they're gone now. Oh, who is that and what do they want? Oh, what is it? I'm here because of my pet. He hasn't been well for some days now. Ugh. They're all seriously going to give me the same exact description. There we are. Very interesting. We can start to rule out several possibilities. We'll see if he's in pain by touching different areas. Okay. And there we go. Let's check his temperature. Come on. Good. Yay, I'm rich. Nice, I got more cards for the collection. Right. Yes. Yes. And now I'm poor. Alright guys, that's going to be it for this video, so thank you guys for watching, comment, like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys probably with a different installment of 2DS Sundays where I play a different game. So see you guys then.